Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to another review on Adam's Toyland. Today, I'm going to be showing you this Wild Republic snow leopard cub. Snow leopards live in the Himalayan mountains and in China. Snow leopards eat blue sheep, mountain ibexes, hares, marmots, and game birds. The natural predators of the snow leopard are humans because humans hunt and kill them for their beautiful warm fur to make jackets, and their other predator are wolves, who target the cubs. Unfortunately, the snow leopard is endangered because of poaching and habitat loss. The population of the snow leopard is 4,080 to 6,590 leopards left in the wild. We need to save the snow leopard from extinction. To the creature rescue. The method that the snow leopard uses for hunting is ambush. Their fur helps them camouflage in the rocks and into the rocks in the mountains where they live, so they can creep up on their prey, then pounce at the right time. The snow leopard's method of hunting reminds me of cheetahs and other animals. Just like other endangered species, zoos and animal sanctuaries are doing their best to bring the population number of the snow leopard back up. The lifespan of a snow leopard in captivity is 21 years. But in the wild, unfortunately, because they're so rare and hard to find, their lifespan is shorter. The weight of adult snow leopards is 72 pounds. Snow leopards can run 40 miles per hour. In my opinion, the snow leopard is one of the most beautiful animals in the world. Okay, time for the rating. I rate this Wild Republic snow leopard cub a 10 out of 10. I recommend anybody getting this animal if they like baby animals, snow leopards, Wild Republic, endangered animals, and animals that live in China, and big cats. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below and to subscribe. Click the picture of Tinsel to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving endangered species. See you later. Bye.